Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support, motivation, appreciation. And this really goes a long way. I take this opportunity, I take this platform to thank my parents, God, my team, and my power angels, my spirit guides, my allies who are always by my side, who are always supportive, who are always blessing me in some way or the other, who have always been with me in every step of my journey. And I really wish and I really pray that whosoever is watching this video may also be blessed by this love and warmth of the positive entities around us. Amen. All right, moving forward. Friends, if you are new to this channel, if you are a new viewer, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please do leave your comment in the comment section below. I would like to reach out to you. If you have any more queries, you need further more insights or guidance on any certain topic, please do write in the comment section below. If the reading resonates with you, please do write in the comment section below. I'll be happy to read it and reach out to you. This is not a time-specific reading. This is a sign-specific reading, and this reading is dedicated to fire sign Leo. The topic that I have taken this time is some sort of advice or guidance which is required when you reach a T point in your life, when you reach at a position when you have to take a decision or you have already taken a decision and you are looking for confirmations, you are looking for affirmations as to are you on the right path or not, or which path to take. Furthermore, where can you look for support, where can you look for encouragement, and what all obstacles do you have to face in the journey ahead. Let's move forward. Let's start the reading for my Leos. Let's hope the reading resonates with you. All right, my Leos, how are you all doing? How was the week last week? How is your health, wealth, finances, career, love life? Please tell me about it, how everything is going on. Okay. In order to understand which decision to make, how to make, the most important priority is you should know your strengths. You should know your positive characteristics. You should know your resources, or you should know on what qualities you can bank upon. So my Leos, this time, at this period of time, the most important quality that you can bank upon is your hard work, your talent, your creativity, your own worthiness. You have already done everything which was in your support, which was in your power. You have done everything which you could do. So Leos, the work has already been done by you. Now, the thing that you are waiting to put it on the floor, and the direction which you want, the guidance that you are seeing, the path that you have chosen is correct. Yes, my Leos, the path on which you are walking is the right one, because this path is laid out for you. You are made for this path. This journey belongs to you. Whatever you have been doing in the past, whatever things you have been learning in the past, whatever talents and whatever attributes you have been collecting in the past, this was all because of the universe that had planned for you weeks and years ahead. Before even you were born, you were destined to move on this path, and this path is for you. So please follow this path. This is very right for you. And the only problem that you're going to face on this path is you will start thinking, all right, let me hand over this project to somebody else and I can jump to another project. Don't do that mistake. Don't do this mistake of leaving your project midway. Don't do this mistake of handing over your business, your enterprise, your brainchild to anybody else to make it move forward. This is your brainchild. You have put your energy, you have put your resources, you have nourished it, you have been watering this seed for so long, and once the seed has grown up into a sapling, now it's a small tree, small plant, now you are thinking to hand it over to somebody else. No, this is not going to work out, because you need to carry it forward and turn it into a big tree. This is your dream. Please take it forward as yours, because you only are the right person who knows what goes into it. What are the requirements? If you find anyone who is as capable as you can take their help, you can add that person, add those people in your teamwork, but please do not leave the project midway. Complete it, and this is the thing that is required right now. The love and support of people is there. People are looking at you as their idol. You are setting a fine example ahead to your peers, to your colleagues, to your relatives, to your friend circle. So do not break that chain. Everyone is going to help you out, and this is also going to help you out materialistically, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. All these things are going to work in your favor. You are on the right path. Just do not leave the project midway. When you have started, take it to the end. Complete the cycle. Finish off the work. Alright, my Leos? Very fine time for you ahead. All good wishes for you. Universe is there to support you. People are there to support you. You yourself are your biggest support. Here's wishing you all the best, and God bless.